So let us start the class. In pairs, discuss three things that you like best about your school and three things about your school that you would like to change. Write them down. So we discussed already in the introductory part that the students after 150 years or so will have mechanical teachers, will have robotic teachers. They will be far more accurate, far better, and far uh, what is say result, far better result yielding in comparison of the human teachers are always in are always prone to commit mistakes. They are human beings. Human errors are common, very common, and they may have some problems there. But your computer teachers, your robotic teachers, very perfect there. But still, then students of if you put up a question sincerely students to the students there, if you place this topic as a matter for survey, as a topic for survey, and if you interview 100 students, what kind of teachers they would like, uh, robotic teacher or human teacher, most of the students will answer they like human teachers, because the robotic teacher can create robots. A human teacher can only teach and make the characters of human. So that's why you love to go to school today. You may have some attractive points that you would like to write about your school. So please find out three of such points which you, what makes you always attracted towards your school, and also you write down 3 points which you want to see as a changed one in your schools. Have you ever read words on a television screen or computer screen? Can you imagine a time when all books will be on computers and there will be no books printed on paper? Would you like such a books better? Now let's come to the chapter. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. On the page headed 17 May 2157, she wrote, "Today, Tommy found a real book." So Maggie, this story happens in the year of 2157, and Maggie is an 11-year-old girl who has a habit of writing diary every day. Remember, whenever we write a diary entry, the first sentence is always the catchy one, always the one that which we want to give the most important, give much importance. So today, on the 17th May of 2157, Margie wrote the caption, wrote the started her diary entry with the very attractive, very surprising sentence. That is, she wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book." If today someone writes on the diary, "Today I found a real book there," you will laugh at him. You will laugh at him or her, because it is very common today. Because every one of us has a real book. We are very associated, very much closed, very much related with the term real book. But imagine after 140 years, if someone gets a real book there, that is a big news those days. If today you get a 1 paisa coin, if today you get a 2 paisa coin, which you have never seen, which none of your classmates have ever seen, then that is going to be a news today. The same way, after 150 years, when someone gets a diary, when someone gets a book, real book, people will be very surprised to hear the word Tommy got a book. So same thing happened with Margie. She noted it on her diary.